Myntri katanat Health and Family Welfare ko Sokar Jalaba Watla ki Shilaw Longa wala dan ka jingpynkoit Henry Ampalawan pynduh jait ya ka jingpang tuberculosis ha ka jala. Ulong bakla maratin wat ha ki jaka sor kari gani ka jingpang kadan kumta kan long ka jingile ka bakraw ya ka jala na ba dangdan ki jaka di ba ampala ban poi ban ai jing sumar na ka daw ka jinglong ki jaka. Ulo ru baka jingpin ngau tho pat ba kalong ka bakong san bha ba deiru ban ngau tho ba tang kinong sumar kinomla ban pynkoit ya kanu ka jingpang kumta dan kam ka jingitrai lang ula banjur ya ka jingnan kam ban pendung kerteng hapo ka meja skat kalat jingmentoy bala ai dak sarkar na ba kumba long menta ampatla ban kenjo hispa persen haba yedei ba ka jing pendung kerteng hapo ka meja skat. Myntri katanat Health and Family Welfare kumukong san ula pliru ya ka jingyalam kabashis pa jong katanat hakani ka sirakhe ya ka World Tuberculosis Day ha shilok. La yo jingkran na ka Dr. JS Moment DHS MI na ka Dr. AJ Renja Assistant Program Officer NTEP na Dr. Nila E. Karsano Director of Health Services MCH and FW come join MD NHM but Dr. M. Simli State Tuberculosis Officer but la penyad ya ka jingyalang do ba meban kharkongor.
I would request Madam as Thank you, sir.
All the invitees, much have been said by the speaker before me. Much have been shared, but the most important thing for us today to think is, in spite having a cure, but still we could not eradicate tuberculosis. No doubt, even in the different part of the country, in urban areas, in towns, they are still having tuberculosis. It will be a much challenge for a state like Meghalaya, where we faces the different challenges, especially our topography to reach the hard-reach area. So we do realize it's not easy. And I hope still today, there are still like me few years ago when I still a kid who still think that you get tuberculosis by watching television. So awareness is very important. And we should realize this fact. We should realize this fact that only the health worker cannot cure any diseases. As soon we realize that, the better is for us. Because we need to work together. As a community, as a state, we need to work together. Because until and unless we take responsibility of our own health, I will tell you, no government, no health practitioner will able to help you. And it is so sad to see in our state. I used to tell this to my people, especially for my constituent who used to come to me and request for financial assistance to help them for treatment. The first thing I used to ask them, Do you have MHIS card? So that's why I like to tell you all, it is very sad to know that still, in spite of this opportunity in our state, it's so sad to see that still till now we have not achieved the 100% enrollment of MHIS, which is very important. 5 lakhs annually you are getting for treatment, but still you don't have time to come and enroll yourself. If that kind of attitude we are having, how can we get ourselves get treated? So that's why I urge each and every one of us, to the people of our beloved state of Meghalaya, please join hands together. You have plenty of opportunity in front of you. Now the kind of effort being put from the health department, and I'm really thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister for giving 9% of the total budget allocation of our state is being given to health department. This itself shows where the priority of the government lies. In India, the annual spending for each person in the country right now is 3,500. But in our state of Meghalaya is 7,800 per person. The amount we spend to one individual. So we do understand that from the government part, we are pushing, but where we are lacking maybe, it's the community participation. So today as well, I'd like to urge our State Tuberculosis Officer and team. In the next program, I would like to see the community participation. Call the Sunjuk of Rangbashnong, call the principal of different school and colleges, call the priests, call the different people, renowned people from the community. Let them come and share this responsibility. Until and unless we don't come together, I will tell you, we will not be able to achieve what we aim for. So once again, I'm happy to see the kind of effort, but at the same time, I would like to see that this effort will see the result of outcome.